Nyumba no Ruiru irokire kugenerwo ni ageni matekwirigirirwo rungu rwa ugitiri munene wa maabitha borithi thutha wa kuhithukio kwa indo iria ihuthikaga utambia-ini wa thitima na iria itareirwo muigana wa ciringi mirioni 20. Adiel Nyange ni munene wa borithi wa kaunti ya Kiambu.
This material was to be dropped at Membley, but unfortunately, instead of the owner of the truck dropping or taking the material to Multi, somewhere on the load, somewhere on the way, it was diverted to other areas.
Kurerikana Mwikuirwo munene wicine wa indo ici cia thitima Joseph Kihara ni umwe wa aria mahetwo kandarathi ni kambuni ya Kenya Power.
This resident was discovered by the police, and after entering, the gentleman was found here, positively identified as that person who actually took this luggage from Logonot. And as you can see behind me are some of the parts, materials to be used to install power, and behind that other area is where now this truck was offloaded and the materials taken to the destination not known.
Nyange uria gutongoragia birigiceni ino augite imwe cia indo iria mahithukirie ni hamwe na waya cia thitima, itingi hamwe na indo iria ihuthikaga hari transformer.
The person we've arrested is being questioned by the police. We'll get full details after the investigations.
Afitha munene wa gutabarira maundu megi ugitiri kambuni-ini ya Kenya Power Samuel Njwe akauga kambuni ya Kenya Power ikoretwo igithie hathara ya muigana wa mirioni 200 o mwaka kumana na wici wa indo ta ici, akiheana muhiano na mwaka muthiru kuria kambuni yo yorirwo ni kimanjika kia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 19 thutha wa transformer 38 kura na njira ciena kiriga.
I have found that yes, indeed there are electricity conductors, aluminium conductors, and associated power line accessories, fuses, steel bars, and nuts and bolts, clamps. I can see meter boxes, and these are the ones I'm saying are accessories for electricity transmission lines.
Giko giki giukite ihinda inini tu o riri maabitha nene kambuni-ini ya Kenya Power makoretwo magetheirwo ni thitango ya ngukumio ya gukorwo makigura indo itakinyaniirie ikiro cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 470. Muigai wa Gathungo, mutamburuko wa mohoro.